Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to arrange desktop icons here there on Windows 11. So guys, if you want to arrange icons as your requirement, so right click view and unselect auto arrange icons. Firstly unselect that. Now you can arrange your icons from where you want to set, like this. So this way guys, you can arrange icons as your requirement and as your choice. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and by these simple steps we can know how to arrange icons as your requirement and as your choice. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.